This one is called Three Little Birds. Don't be shy, Leigh. When it's your turn, make it loud. So don't worry, say about a thing now, because yes,
It's gonna be alright.
beautiful. You know I'm singing, don't worry, say about a thing. And again, why not? Why not? Because yes,
It's gonna be alright.
you see me rise up this morning and I smile with the rising sun. Three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of a melody pure and true. You know the singing, this is my message to you. I sing the don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. You know I'm singing, don't worry, say about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. When we rise up in the morning, smile with the rising sun. There was three little birds by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of a melody pure and true. You know to see it, this is my message to you. You know I'm singing, don't worry, say about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. You know I'm singing, don't worry, say about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright now. Oh no, no, no. Make a little bit of noise for Chris Sykes on the guitar. Leigh, it's all you. 1, 2, 3. I see you don't worry, go. Tell me why. Yes,
It's gonna be alright.
it's gonna be alright. And so I sing it, don't you worry. Sit about your thing, because every little thing, yes, you know I'm singing, don't worry. I sing about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. You know I'm singing, don't worry. Sing about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. You know I'm singing, don't worry. Sing about a thing, no, no, no. You know every little thing is gonna be alright. You know I'm singing, don't worry about a thing. Why? Because ladies and gentlemen, thank you very, very much. Why didn't we write that one?